Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been saying that Nifty is moving in a parabolic move, right? Should we be concerned? The answer is yes, a little bit. Because you look, it's moving in a parabolic move. I've been talking about this parabolic move. Okay, why? Because see, whenever a stock move in just one direction, what happens is that it gives a very strong fall. Okay, suppose if stock move this way, see, making higher high and lower high like this, okay, then that's fine. Okay, because it's taking support here and support here around, okay, and it's going up. So this is a good news, right? In an uptrend, you can even see some example here. Here move, a small retrace, move, right, and this happened, okay, and look here, and look even here, okay, up move, right, small retrace, up move, retrace, okay, it moved this way. So when stock keep moving like this, yes, there can be a concern, because when it fall, it gives a type of shock, a big red candle can be seen, and if the market turn bearish, then it can give a very strong downfall. So when it's moving like this, it's best to start trailing stop loss, which means suppose if your stop loss is here, then bring it up here, right, trailing. Suppose your stop loss is here, okay, then you keep on trading the stop loss like this areas. So that is the thing that we can do in this overall market. I was waiting for price action to happen here, okay, that it moved this way and I want it to move like this and go up. So that is the thing to waiting, and for this reason I did not buy any stock, okay, yet. I bought it day before yesterday, but then yesterday, today I did not buy any, though I see some potential charts, still I avoided, okay, uh, because it cannot move this way, right? You need to retrace. People who have entered here will obviously book profit somewhere here, so that profit booking will bring the market down, okay. People are still holding now, there is no profit booking yet. And if you look at the levels where Nifty can come, okay, if it is bullish, suppose tomorrow a market give a u-turn, then important key levels here will be 0.38, 0.5 level, and 6, that is 17,500, 17,300, 17,100. So these levels are key level, okay, important levels here in the Fibonacci. So suppose if stocks come down here in this range, okay, and play around here, okay, then that's fine, nothing to worry. But if it goes below this 618 after it fall, after it retrace, okay, so it can fall, right, it can it can retrace. So when it retrace, if it retrace below 6.618 level, then it's something concerning in a straight fall. Well, if there is a price action here like this in this way, then there's nothing to be worried of. Else, in one go, if it try to move straight like this down here, okay, then there is something concerning in Nifty. So for now, it's best to avoid buying new stocks, okay. So we have some key levels, right, in Nifty as well. Here there was one resistance, okay, so it got broken, it went up, and another resistance is seen here, okay, that is 18,200 levels. So today it is not broken yet, it has touched and just close in the area, and one more resistance is 18,500 area, okay, 600 area, this area. So let's look at option chain, okay, to see how people are putting their how people are writing calls and puts, okay. Let's look at open interest. So I use this website called as Sensible. We have Nifty option chain, but this one seems to be a little better, okay. So my expiry will be 27, okay. Let's look in the monthly expiry. So 27 of Jan, right. If you look here, you see that there's a very good support at 18,000 level right here. Y is high, okay, Y is high, and then in resistance we have 18,500, okay. So let's look at the chart and see whether if this thing is supporting the market structure, okay. So 18,500, right, this area, 600, 500 area, this range, so it is a resistance. So is option chain showing an area? Yes, look at this, 500. So support is 18,000. So is there a support 18,000 level? Where is 18,000? Okay, so this area somewhere here, okay, somewhere here, the present area here is a support area. So yes, we may expect, okay, a little move like touching here and falling here, falling back, or from just this area. Okay, we never know what will happen next, but I told some of my friends to exit today. Actually, look at this. If we look at tomorrow option chain, okay, OI, then we have a very good resistance. Look, key levels 18,500 has the highest, and you can see there are many areas, and even supports are very high. It's going to be aggressive, but we don't know exactly what will happen, so we trade accordingly. But it's best that you avoid stocks for now, not to enter in any particular stocks, okay, because most of the time I give futures and option stocks, so there's a high chance that it may follow nifty. Okay, and so done with index. And for people who are investing in index fund, I'll give you an exact date or day, okay, like when to invest, because I have to see the market structure and then give accordingly. So let's talk about stocks, right? Stocks that we can keep in radar or buy, actually, though I say it's wise to avoid, but there are some stocks, you know, which does not follow nifty movement, like for example like Indian market, right? Nifty has been rising from the past like 10 days, and then this stock has not rise, okay, it's been in a downfall, a very strong downfall. Look at this, okay, look at this. Let's look at a higher time frame in weekly. So you can see a double top, right, fall, another retrace, okay, but what we can see in daily time frame, okay, the volume, okay, the volume is increasing. See, in a U-turn here, you can see the volume is increasing, and it is above 20 moving averages. And even if you look at RSI, then it is above 50, right? Is it above 50? Yes, above 50. So it's a signal, you know, that there is a possibility of trend reversal. Every trade we take, there is not guarantee that we can win. There is only 50% chances that we can either win or lose, right? But we trade based on risk management and position sizing, so that is how we can go out profit, though it does not go in our way. Okay, you can say as a falling wedge or just a channel pattern. Okay, it's a breakout. So here the market structure is like this in a downtrend, right? Wait, I'll just take this one. So it's in a good downtrend, okay, and then here you see a small type of downtrend, type of higher high that has been formed, and a breakout from the trend line, one resistance, 2, 3, and breakout. So if you look at lower time frame, you'll see more better price action, right? See at this, see this. So it's given a breakout with a very good volume. So Indian market we can keep in our radar, you know, or you can enter in small quantity. Like assume that you're risking only 5%, I mean 1% of your capital, then you can risk like 0.5% of your capital. And let's go to Piramal Enterprise. Okay, here you see that the stock is forming a type of symmetrical triangle with 1 resistance, 2, 3, 4 resistance, okay, and support 1, 2, 3 supports, symmetrical triangle. And you can see that there's a play in volume, right? Volume has been increasing. See, stock is not moving, but there is a volume which indicates that there are people accumulating the stock. Okay, we don't know whether it will go up or not, but yes, there is a buyers presence. See the volume at higher levels, right? This is higher levels, volume is there, volume is there. Here again, volume, another volume here, right? So the pattern is not completed yet, but it is wise we can put this stock in your radar. Okay, it's worth it. A breakout from this area in 1 day time frame, we'll think of entering if the volume is good. Okay, this is it for the stocks. And for the stocks that I've invested, you must be curious, right, how it's performing. So my first stock that I invested, as you all know, it's Caffeine Home, right? I started from Jan 1. So you see that caffeine, I entered here, right? And it's moving up. Okay, I'll show you the profits and the losses. So caffeine here, it's moving up, and the second stock I bought was Aditya Birla Flash, right? I explained about this pattern in my previous video about the symmetrical pattern, the psychology behind. So after a breakout, it's giving a move, right? You can clearly see. Okay, and the third stock that I bought was Bell. Okay, this is Bharat Heavy Electric. Okay, here I even explain about this, about a very good support, right, in weekly time frame, and you can see a resistance 1 2 3 and then a breakout here. Okay, so here after breakout, it is not moving yet. It's just like in a range, small type of range, or just below, okay, this area, so nothing to be worried of. So these are the three stocks. And about the profit, I'll just show you here my holdings. I'll just refresh it for you. Okay, refresh. Okay, refresh. So total investment is here 9,700, right? And profit is around like 350 here. You can see 348.35. So Bell has not given me any return. Okay, it is giving me a loss of 12 rupees, whereas the first stock that I bought, caffeine, is giving me 238 rupees profit, and Aditya Birla is giving me 122 rupees, right? So here, like I've explained, that my risk is 150. Okay, I can just bet very high, like investing all my money in one go, but here what matters is risk management and position sizing. So due to that, I have to put small amount. For example, here caffeine homes, I'm investing 4,200, and Bell I'm investing 3,000, and in Aditya I'm investing 2,700, right? See, these are all based on risk management and position sizing. That's why the value changes. Okay, Bell I just bought 2 days ago. Okay, as you can see, I bought at this level 2 days ago. So I thought it's going to give a very good move. Okay, but there is something in Bell, breakout has been given in this area, this range here, 1/3 of Jan. Okay, from a range. So I missed this, and I was not even willing to buy. I was buying two stocks. So, and here another breakout, so I was convinced that volume is also there, and there's high chance of going up. So I bought it, and I'll make sure it is updated. My SL, everything will be shown. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you have understand the logic behind my entries, and how I'm going to exit, and how I'm going to book my profits. Okay, so see you guys in next video. Bye bye.